Hey there, my friends. Thanks for stopping by my channel and visiting today, and especially thank you for checking out this video. And if this is your first time to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like what you find today, click on the comment button, click on the like button, or even comment. What my title of this video today is how to build an email list for your affiliate marketing business. You know, when I first was starting to get serious about making money online, and I asked for the best tips, and everybody kept saying, build an email list, build an email list. And I ignored them. I just, what the heck, you know? And I looked at some of the capture pages. I'm like, I wouldn't fill out one of those capture pages. You know, they just want to steal my email address and all that. So I ignored it. But once I really said I need to try it, and once I did it, it made the difference in me going from side hustle to full-time affiliate marketer. You know, so if you're looking to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your chances of success, building an email list is just essential. You know, and so I'm going to show you step-by-step process of creating and growing your email list that can boost your affiliate marketing business to new heights. And I'm going to show you how to do it at absolutely no cost at all. So again, building an email list is crucial because it gives you direct access to your audience, allowing you to engage with them personally and build trust over time. And people typically buy from those online who they know, like, and trust. So if they're on your email list and you're providing them value, then they begin to know you and see that you know what you're talking about, and then they begin to like you and trust you. Okay? And so unlike social media platforms, which I use also, but you know, your reach is limited. But with an email list, you have full control of your communication. Plus, studies have shown that email marketing has one of the highest return of investments among digital marketing channels. So let's look at the practical steps of creating an email list. The first step is to select an email marketing service that suits your needs. And there's many of them out there. Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, and all that. And these platforms provide user-friendly interfaces. All of them do, for the most part. Automation features, analytics, help you manage your email campaigns effectively. I've tried almost all of them. Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, trafficwave, which I was very pleased with, and then I found LeadsLeap. And LeadsLeap, and the reason I like LeadsLeap is it's an email service, but it has so many other things that you need to market your email, and it's free. It's free for a lifetime. It's not a free trial. It's free for a lifetime. Yes, there's some upgrades, and you can choose to upgrade or not, and the upgrade is not even that expensive. But you can do all of this for free, and it has everything that you provide. And you'll see what I'm talking about as I go further into how to set up your email service. So my recommendation is LeadsLeap, and I'll have a link below in the description for that to get to it. So now, people are not going to just automatically join your list because you say, hey, join my list. Okay? You got to encourage people to join your email list. I mean, you need to offer them something of value in exchange for them giving you your email address. And this is where a lead magnet comes in. And a lead magnet can be an ebook, a video tutorial, a checklist, or some other valuable content that solves a problem for your target audience. All right, it's a bait that they see they need, and you're able, because they need it, they're going to give you their information, their name and their email address. You know, make sure whatever your lead magnet is, that it's related to your affiliate niche and aligns with your interests and needs. I want to put two links below where you can get free lead magnets without you having to pay for anything. Okay, and so one I use effectively, and the other it's got a variety of them. Okay, so you can look at it and see which one fits your niche you're working with. All right, now we've talked about the service, which I'm recommending LeadsLeap, and we've talked about the lead magnet. You can create your own, or you can use PLR, what they call private label rights lead magnets. Okay, and again, I'm going to have those links below for that. But you know, now that you've figured out what your lead magnets is, you have to create an opt-in form or a landing page, and these are gateways through which your audience can join your email list. So you place an opt-in form strategically on your website, or as you're promoting it on a blog, on social media platforms. You set a link to it, and you want to make it have compelling copy that highlights the benefits of subscribing, and you want to use eye-catching designs to capture your audience. Okay, and again, I'm putting some links below where you can actually just do a share code. You don't have to create anything. Do a share code and just modify it. So I'm cutting out a lot of the extra legwork that you may have to have done normally. Now, when your opt-in forms and your landing pages are ready, and you want to test them out. You want to test them out. You know, subscribe to your own email list, make sure it works. But once they're ready, it's time to drive traffic to them. And you know, you can leverage various channels such as social media, content marketing, paid advertising. If you have blogs, SEO, YouTube videos, you know, all that you could use, and there's even more, but all that you could use to attract visitors to your landing page. But remember, the more targeted traffic, the higher the chances of getting quality subscribers who are genuinely interested in your affiliate offers. In other words, you don't want to go into a Facebook group that has to do with health and nutrition and start talking about how to repair bicycles, because they're not going to attract people. So you want your traffic to be targeted, so when they come to your landing page, they see something that they need. All right. Now, once you have started getting subscribers, okay, once you started building your list, it's essential to nurture and engage your subscribers. Okay, many people make the mistake of just sending sales pages and things like that. Buy this product, check this out, da 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 da. They won't stay, or they won't open up your email. They're either going to unsubscribe, or they're not going to open it up. So as you start getting subscribers, you want to send them valuable content on a regular basis. I mean, such as newsletters, tips, discounts, training emails, educational emails. You want to establish a connection with your audience, and then you want to understand the pain points. And once you've kind of got that, you can offer solutions that align with your affiliate products. I mean, see how I did that? Value, send them value. Okay. And then once you realize what the pain points are in that particular niche, then send them solutions through your email marketing that align with your product you're marketing. Now, how often should you send your email list out? How often you send to your email? I would say 3 to 5 times a week, because if you, some people say twice a day and once a day and all that. I think that's too much. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, but at least 3 to 5 times a week, because one, if you don't send out often enough, they're going to forget who you are. They're going to think you're a spammer, or they're just going to unsubscribe because they're not getting any value from you. So 3 to 5 times a week that you want to send it out. Most of those emails out that you send should be value emails. Okay, and then you send in there your sales email. Okay, and the other thing you can do when you send out your value emails is in your PS. You know, you always put a PS at the bottom, and then you could put a little sales pitch at the bottom. You know, relating to what the email was. You know, what the value email was. So if you're talking about, for example, if I was sending out an email on how to build an email list, okay, and I was talking about it in general, and step by step or something, and then my PS would be, go to LeadsLeap and get your free email platform, okay? So you can do it that way, but definitely don't just send out buy, sell, okay? So this will give us just a short video, and by following these steps that I've laid out and consistently providing value to your subscribers, you'll create a loyal audience, and that not only trusts you, but it's also more likely to convert into paying customers. All right. So, my friends, I do thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Click the like button down there, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. And until the next time, just have a FOXtastic day and happy list building. Oh, if you have any suggestions or questions or needs for future videos that I make, leave it in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, your success in affiliate marketing starts with building a strong email list. But if you've got suggestions on other things that you'd like to see me talk about, hey, I've been in this. I started marketing online in 1996. I started affiliate marketing in 2015. I went full time in 2017. So there's very few subjects I don't know about when it comes to online marketing. And I'm not an expert. I'm not a guru. I'm just a normal, everyday person that's making it happen. So if you have questions or comments or suggestions on the next video, drop it in the comments below. All right, so you take care and have a FOXtastic day.